Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register your Doha Bank mobile banking app. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, download the Doha Bank mobile banking app on your device and open it. Once the app is opened, tap I agree and select your language and country. Tap Proceed and tap Login. It is time to enter your user ID and password. These details will be given to you by your bank. When you are done, tap Proceed. And that's how you register your Doha Bank mobile banking app. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.